What's up guys, I'm Tanish. Welcome to my channel. So guys, we are going to unbox the funkscool Rubik's combo with a tile and a snake cube. There are two cubes, the funkscool tiled 3x3 and the tiled snake cube. So first we're going to take a look on the 3x3 Rubik's cube. So the first thing is it came a logo, rubik's.com, and the first thing I noticed is that have cool tiles inside the black plastic instead of stickers. So it's a pretty cool cube and it has 15-degree corner cutting. Yeah, and it's very easy to use. It weighs 50 grams and it was one of the best speed cube. Yeah, see. So this is also a best cube which you get in the market. Coming to the snake cube, it's look pretty awesome to catch, and this is also tiled with no stickers, and it looks as same size as 3x3 Rubik's cube. And this is original cube, where we also get a fake cubes in the market. Those are very small in size, like this cube. So now, while solving this cube, look, yeah, we can make awesome shapes with this snake cube, but the best shape is getting a ball shape. And now this looks pretty awesome, and now we're going to make this. So this, 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 this. I have also given this tutorial in my YouTube channel. Please click on the subscribe button to get mirror and also 2x2 Rubik's cube tutorials. Yeah, got the spherical shape. You can also make mini shapes, like you can also get this and this, now this. You can also make a box where we can carry easily in our pocket. So this and this and this and this and this and this. See, it's an original cube. See, you can also make of this. I have given all the shapes and the balls tutorial in my YouTube channel, please. Yeah, these are snake cube and 3x3 tile cube, and this is the best budget cubes you can buy online market or in your market. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to get more tutorials and more updates. Signing off, Crazy P.
I wanna see you in slow motion. Come stay the night, we can stay up till it's bright. In the morning, got the top open.